Hello everyone. Today we are going to use Amazon AWS Comprehend. So you may be thinking what is AWS Comprehend? So AWS Comprehend is nothing but an Amazon AWS service in which you can input your text and the service will analyze your text and will give you out the sentiment of the text like if it's positive, negative or neutral. On top of that, Amazon AWS Comprehend also extract the key phrases from your text and breaks down into different parts. For example, if you have mentioned a place or a famous personality, so AWS Comprehend can also detect that and display it separately. So moving on to how we can use Amazon AWS. So here I have listed on the steps. So first we have to search for AWS Comprehend and enable it. So here is my AWS console. I'm going to search for Comprehend. Here is AWS Comprehend. So as you can see, I have got AWS Comprehend dashboard. So I have to launch AWS Comprehend first of all. Yeah. So here's the text box I was talking about. Here you can paste your text. So for this tutorial, we are going to go with the sample text. So here is the text and I am going to click on analyze. As you can see, after that I have clicked on analyze. It has extracted the key point like Amazon.com, Seattle, because this entire text is all about Amazon, the company and where it's located and all those details. So as you can see, this AWS service has recognized Amazon as an organization, Seattle as a location, Jeff Bezos as a person, which is completely right. And not only that, it also extract key phrases. See, Amazon.com, Seattle, because these are the phrases that makes the sentence the whole sense. It can also detect the language. Now here's the sentiment I was talking about. This statement is neutral. For example, if you uh, paste in a negative comment, so the sentiment will point towards negativity. So now to check the sentiment score, we are going to purposefully type a hate comment. So now we can click on analyze. So here you can see the results of analysis. So like before, it has extracted a key phrase, and in sentiment here you can see in the neutral, positive and mixed section it's not very confident, but it is very confident that it's a negative comment, and we know that for sure because we have typed in a negative comment. So we can say that this sentiment works. So this is how you could use AWS Comprehend.